How to make passive income with Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can make a passive income with Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically make a passive income with Binance, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is open the Binance application. Now I'm going to divide this into different sections, which is section 1, section 2 and section 3. The section 1 means staking and yield farming. Now one way to earn passive income is through staking. By holding certain cryptocurrencies in your Binance account, you can actually participate in staking programs and earn rewards for supporting the network. And the other is yield farming, where you can lend or stake your assets to earn interest or rewards. And Binance offers various opportunities for yield farming, providing a chance to generate additional income. The section 2 is Binance savings and lendings feature. Now the Binance savings allows you to deposit your idle digital assets into flexible or fixed term products, earning interest over time. On the other hand, Binance lending enables you to lend your cryptocurrencies to margin traders and earn interest as well. Now the section 3 includes the Binance affiliate program. If you are into referrals, Binance has an affiliate program. By referring friends or new users to the platform, you can earn a commission on their trading fees, creating another source of passive income. Now just a bit of final verdict that I would like to give you. Generating passive income with Binance is possible through staking, yield farming, savings, lendings and the affiliate program. Remember, it's essential to research and do your own research and understand the risk before getting started. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.